Welcome back, investors and traders. Today we are going to see the quarterly performance of Kotak Mahindra Bank. Kotak Mahindra Bank announced their results on Saturday, that is 19th of October 2024. So let us look at the numbers. Let us look at the highlights of the bank. Kotak Mahindra Bank announced their quarter 2 FY25 numbers. तो आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे नेट इंटरेस्ट मार्जिन जो है वो 5.22% से 4.91% हुआ है, मतलब नेट इंटरेस्ट मार्जिन हैज गॉन डाउन एज कम्पेयर टू लास्ट ईयर. ओके, तो ये सबसे बड़ा नेगेटिव कोटक महिंद्रा बैंक में. नीम्स हैव गॉन डाउन. ओके, नीम्स हैव क्रैश्ड. That is first accident, in the sense first negative news for Kotak Mahindra Bank. The second negative news is the return on assets also has gone down. Like 2.45% last year था quarter 2 में, which has gone down to 2.17%. So ROA is down, NIMs are down. नेट एनपीए देखते तो नेट एनपीए ऊपर गया है, मतलब नेट एनपीए इज अप. ओके, सो non asset quality front, the asset quality has definitely deteriorated for Kotak Mahindra Bank. Net interest margin is going down, मतलब net interest margin is आपका जो interest आप earn करते हो on the total assets, तो वो that is also gone down. और asset quality has deteriorated. CASA ratio also has gone down 48.3% से 43.6%. CASA ratio is down. तो ये सब numbers है. Let us look at further other numbers. So asset quality, on the asset quality front, if you see, the gross NPAs are 1.49% as of 30th September 24. Last year it was at 1.72%, and in June it was 1.39%. तो अभी कैसे है कि ग्रॉस एनपीए का जो ट्रेंड है वो इट वाज ऑन अ डाउनवर्ड स्लोप. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, आप लास्ट ईयर 1.72 था, उससे बाद जून में 1.39% हो गया, मतलब इट हैज गॉन डाउन, लेकिन अगेन इट हैज स्टार्टेड गोइंग अप. तो 1.39 जो जून में था वो सितंबर में 1.49 हो गया. तो एसेट क्वालिटी इज डिटोरेटिंग फॉर कोटक महिंद्रा बैंक. इवन ऑन अ नेट एनपीए फ्रंट ऑल्सो, अगर जून में आपका 0.35 था परसेंट नेट एनपीए, वो अभी 0.43 हो गया परसेंट. तो हियर ऑल्सो यू सी द एसेट क्वालिटी डिटोरेटिंग फॉर कोटक महिंद्रा बैंक. Now the reason behind all these things, the soft numbers of Kotak Mahindra Bank are basically the RBI had taken a supervisory action on Kotak Mahindra Bank, where on 24th of April 2024, RBI had directed the Kotak Bank to cease and desist onboarding of new customers through the bank's online and mobile banking channels. तो ये RBI ने restrictions डाला था कोटक महिंद्रा बैंक पे, because their audits were conducted for the Kotak Mahindra Bank and they found lot of discrepancies in their audits and maybe some other findings by the RBI. And they had asked Kotak Mahindra Bank to stop onboarding new customers. ये नए कस्टमर आपको लेने नहीं है, क्योंकि आपको कैसा है कि आपका you have to put your house in order. So basically, unless your house is in order, RBI will not allow you to take more deposits. Because क्या होता है कि when our banks are taking deposits from the public, there is a big responsibility on the banks. Okay, that they have to ensure that their systems are running 24/7. And when you are taking customers deposits, you have to ensure that you are having proper systems in place, where you are looking that the systems are not vulnerable to any viruses, etc. The systems are up and running and customers are not impacted. So that is the biggest risk that such Kotak Mahindra Bank type bank faces. So RBI ने क्या बोला कि they have to stop onboarding of new customers. ठीक है ना, तो बैंक्स में नए कस्टमर आना बंद हो गए 24 अप्रैल के बाद. ठीक है, सो इफ यू आर नॉट टेकिंग न्यू कस्टमर्स, आप नए कस्टमर्स का कोई कासा नहीं आएगा, आपके पास डिपॉजिट्स नहीं आएंगे. So all those negative repercussions always happen when order has comes from Reserve Bank of India. And Reserve Bank of India also restricted Kotak Mahindra Bank to stop issuing fresh credit cards. Okay, so this is a new RBI supervisory action which are taken on Kotak Mahindra Bank. अगर आप क्रेडिट कार्ड ही नहीं इशू करेंगे तो आप क्रेडिट कार्ड से वॉट एवर रेवेन्यू दैट यू आर जनरेटिंग, इनकम यू आर जनरेटिंग विल स्टॉप, जीरो हो जाएगा आपका स्ट्रेट अवे ऑन द न्यू क्रेडिट कार्ड्स. एग्जिस्टिंग क्रेडिट कार्ड तो चलते रहेंगे और नए कस्टमर्स भी ऑनबोर्ड नहीं कर सकते. तो इसमें कोटक, द बिगेस्ट लॉस ऑफ कोटक महिंद्रा बैंक पोस्ट अप्रैल 24 was that all the new customers which Kotak could not onboard were all they went into to other banks like HDFC, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank. So नए customers could not be onboarded to Kotak Mahindra Bank. So that was the biggest loss for this bank. Second thing is that any credit cards जो है नए credit cards Kotak could not issue. So all those credit cards, new credit cards went to other banks. Okay, so this was the biggest impact which Kotak faced since April. Now, based on the RBI's assessment and RBI's directive, Kotak Mahindra took some actions. And what actions that Kotak Mahindra has taken is that a bank has made suitable progress on core banking resilience. मतलब उनका जो कोर बैंकिंग जो था उसमें इन्होंने कुछ दे हैव मेड अ गुड प्रोग्रेस देयर. बिजनेस कंटिन्यूटी एक्शन प्लान बनाया है. साइबर सिक्योरिटी एंड डिजिटल पेमेंट फ्रेमवर्क्स दैट हैज बीन टाइटन्ड. सो साइबर सिक्योरिटी हैज बीन टाइटन्ड, डिजिटल पेमेंट फ्रेमवर्क इज टाइटन्ड and business continuity action plan is in place. So yeah, Kotak has taken some action on the update, but what happens is that this is all now the damage has already been done. Okay, so अभी प्रॉब्लम ये होता है कि एक बार आपके ऊपर आरबीआई का एक्शन आया और आरबीआई ने अगर रेस्ट्रिक्ट किया तो उसके बाद आप कितना भी ये सब एक्शन लोगे तो ये सब आपका तो बिजनेस तो दूसरी बैंक्स में चला गया. ओके, कस्टमर्स हैव गॉन, न्यू कस्टमर्स दे वेंट टू अदर बैंक्स. New credit cards also went to other banks. So this is a big loss of business for Kotak Mahindra Bank. Now they have appointed external auditor to fully engage in validating items action upon by the bank. तो ये इन लोग का गवर्नेंस, आईटी गवर्नेंस जो है वो भी इन्होंने स्ट्रॉन्ग किया है. एक्सटर्नल ऑडिटर भी अपॉइंट किया है. So that is Kotak has taken some action now. Okay, to salvage this situation. On a consolidated basis, Kotak's profit after tax is up around 13% YOY and quarter on quarter basis 14% ऊपर गया है. ROE is at 13.88%, ROA is 2.53%, book value is 740 rupees. Bank का PAT is 3344. Customer assets are up 18%. NIMs are at 4.91%. These are some of the numbers, key highlights of quarter 2 FY25. Kotak AMC and Kotak Securities, two subsidiaries of Kotak Bank. The Kotak AMC has shown a PAT growth of 60%, where the AUM also has increased by 63%. Kotak Securities is into broking business with 37% profit after tax and cash advance of 58%. तो ये इनका subsidiaries का update है. तो that is what it is. कोटक बैंक का highlights. अभी आप देखोगे तो यहाँ पे ROA जो है वो that has gone down here. ROA is come down. Profit after tax is up 13%. Customer assets up 19%. And ROE is also has gone down from 14.99 to 13.88. तो ROE कम हुआ है. बुक वैल्यू थोड़ा बड़ा है इसका. तो overall the numbers are looking pretty. I mean numbers are looking okay, but on this on the NIMs front they have taken a big hit because NIMs are going down. On the asset quality front there is a big hole here. Asset quality is deteriorating. Then your ROA जो है that also has gone down. So I am not sure how this how the market will take on Monday the Kotak bank stocks, how whether they will get hammered down, whether नीचे का circuit लगेगा or whether the Kotak bank will find some buyers now after this performance. So let us see how the market reacts to the Kotak's numbers. On the stock market front, Kotak bank stock is आप देखोगे तो 1 month में it has gone, it has not given any returns in the last 1 month, and even for 5 days it is down 0.99%, and on a 6-month basis it is just up 4%, 4.4%. FD को भी बीट नहीं किया है इन लोगों ने. 4.4% is increase in Kotak in 1 year. एक साल में 7.6% का ही रिटर्न दिया है कोटक महिंद्रा बैंक ने, जो इवन एफडी को भी बीट नहीं कर पाए. एफडी themselves are giving more than this return. So I'm not sure how this is going to play out in the future. Compared to Kotak Mahindra Bank, the stock of Axis Bank has given very good returns. Like Axis Bank last 6 months का रिटर्न अराउंड 16% है और 1 year रिटर्न अराउंड 20.73%. मतलब जहाँ पे कोटक इज गिविंग जस्ट 7.5% रिटर्न इन लास्ट 1 year, Axis Bank has given 20.73% return in 1 year. So definitely the Axis Bank looks मतलब market is viewing Axis Bank as a good investment rather than Kotak Mahindra Bank, because Kotak was last 6 months में it has got greatly impacted by the RBI action. तो यही होता है कि if you are not just only focusing on business and not looking at your systems, your audits, your vulnerabilities, your VSEA points, your अदर थिंग्स, योर सिस्टम्स, सर्वर्स एक्सेट्रा, तो ये सब इंफ्रा, आईटी इंफ्रा पे अगर आप, इफ यू डोंट पुट मोर अटेंशन and your app is down most of the time, customers are impacted. So then this is what happens, which is classic case with Kotak Mahindra Bank. But Axis Bank has given a good returns in the last 6 months or 1 year. So that was all about Kotak Mahindra Bank's financial results for the September quarter. ज़्यादा कुछ इसमें पॉजिटिव दिख नहीं रहा है. लेट अस लुक सी हाउ द फेस्टिव सीजन pans out and Kotak is able to get the more customers, and whether they increase their NIMs, whether the asset quality improves or no, that the only time will tell. But as of now, the Kotak Mahindra Bank stock, how the market will see it, overall looks pretty bleak picture for Kotak Mahindra Bank. Anyway, if you like this video, kindly click on the like button. Thank you.